If you're currently alive and watching this video, then at some point in your life you must have heard about drones and FPVs. Since drones have been made commercially available, there has been a series of evolutions. One of the pioneers in these evolutions has been DJI, and they have reshaped the way we interact with these phenomenal devices. They are always thriving to innovate, to make our experiences better, to offer the best in commercial drones, going above and beyond just for us to get that perfect shot. DJI. But when it comes to FPV drones, that is where things may get a bit complicated. Not only are FPVs more expensive than the average drones, but they also take a ton of practice and experience to get a hang of. But there's good news. DJI has revolutionized that. Introducing the brand new DJI FPV Drone. Okay guys, now if you're hearing this recording, that means you have made it to the end of the video. I am a upcoming YouTuber. I have been trying for the past 3 years. So if you subscribe to my channel, that would mean a lot to me. Also, if you hit that like button and leave your thoughts of this video in the comments, that will mean a lot. By you doing that, it will encourage me that my content is helping others around me, and it will also inspire me to continue making content for you guys. Please stick around for more engaging and entertainment, especially on tech tips and drones.